In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sellfy product-only page. This is a fantastic way to showcase a single product effectively, allowing you to draw attention to its unique features and benefits, ultimately boosting sales. So, let's dive right in and start customizing your store page. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your store settings. Once there, look for the option labeled Customize Store. Clicking on this will open the store customizer, and that's where the magic begins. On the left-hand side of the customizer, you'll see a menu. Here, you'll want to click on the option that says Plus Add Page. This is how you create a new page, and it's an important step because this page will serve as your exclusive product landing page. Now, once you've created a new page, it's crucial to give it a relevant title. Think about what encapsulates the essence of your product. For example, if you're selling a digital preset, you might want to call it the Ultimate Preset. The title is not only for your reference, but also becomes visible in your site's navigation, so make it catchy yet clear. Along with the title, you'll need to specify a URL slug. This is the web address where users can find your page, so something like Ultimate Preset works well because it's simple and straightforward. Now that you have the page set up, it's time to build it into a compelling custom page. You'll start by removing any default modules that don't serve the purpose of your product page, such as the generic products grid. This cleanup helps keep the focus solely on the product you're highlighting. Next, you'll want to add modules that specifically spotlight your product. Start with a hero block. This is typically a large, eye-catching image or video at the top of your page. Pair it with a powerful headline that captures the essence of what you're offering. A good tip here is to link a button directly within this block to guide users straight to the product's checkout. This makes it easy for potential buyers to take the next step. After the hero block, consider adding a text panel. This is the place to include detailed sales copy about your product's features and benefits. If you have testimonials, this is a fantastic place to include those as well. They add credibility and social proof, which can be convincing for potential buyers. Another great addition is an embed code module. This can be incredibly versatile. You might add a YouTube video or custom social proof widgets. The goal is to engage your audience with rich, dynamic content that resonates with them. It's crucial that your call to action buttons, those that say things like buy now or learn more, are linked directly to the product's checkout page. This seamless transition can significantly enhance the buying experience, reducing friction and increasing conversion rates. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to make your custom landing page live. Simply hit Publish, and your newly crafted product page will be up and ready for your audience to explore. And there you have it. You've now successfully created a Sellfy product-only page that highlights and elevates your product, ready to capture the interest and imagination of your audience.